Yo, what's going on, guys? My name is Shaq, aka Hertz, and today I'm going to teach you how to make clean edits of your song. A clean edit is basically taking out any vulgar language or anything inappropriate so you can get it played on the radio or anything like that. So let's get straight into it. The song I'm going to be doing is Mac LOTR, No Remorse. That's my guy from my area. He's a rapper and he is very good. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm going to show you a little bit of his song. I've skipped forward a little bit on the intro, so let's get straight into this.
Yo, Curtis said Jimmy.
Don't know what remorse is. Won't stop till we get our hands on them Porsches. Wants to be me, but it can't, so we forces. Couldn't walk a mile in my forces. Them man try hard to ignore this. Trill niggas defend me, need my money, you're lengthy. Where them brothers they envy. Bitch niggas want test me, bitch nigga don't tempt me. Antisocial and deadly, dark days I seen plenty. Top bins when I shoot my shot. If the music don't work, I might lose the plot. Built this little finger vase from the ground up. And niggas will do the most just to see it flop.
So you can already hear within the first 50 seconds of the song there's quite a bit of vulgar language and inappropriate things. So this is how I took them out. I've already done a clean version, but I'm just going to show you the techniques I used to do that. So first one, if you have a plugin called dBlue Tape Stop, you can use that, and I'm going to show you how I use that in this track. So I'm going to skip forward on the intro again, put it about here, and then I'm going to play it for you.
Forces, couldn't walk a mile in my forces. Them man try hard to ignore this. Trill niggas defend me, need my money, you're lengthy. Where them brothers they envy. Bitch niggas want test me, bitch nigga don't tempt me. Antisocial and deadly, dark days I seen plenty. Top bins.
So to do that, all you need to do, you can hear how it ducks out when it comes to the inappropriate words. To do that, all you need to do is put a tape stop on the master channel, or you can put the actual track into the mixer and then put it on that track. But what I did was just put it on the master channel, and then what you do from there is you go to trigger, right click, create automation clip, and then from there you can draw these in where the words are that you want to take out, and then it will sound like
Niggas defend me, need my money, you're lengthy. Where them brothers they envy. Bitch niggas want test me, bitch nigga don't tempt me. Antisocial and deadly, dark days I seen plenty. Top bins when I
Another technique I use is reversing. So for example, this one right here, I've highlighted it. What I did was I identified where the word was, obviously, and then I clicked here, make unique a sample, and then it's gonna ask you where you want to save that, so you just save it where you want to save it. And what that does is it saves this little tiny section as its own sample. And if you don't do that and you just make it unique, like if you click here and just make it unique, that will not work either, because it messes up the sequencing of the actual song if you just make it unique. So well, if you make it unique and you try to reverse it, so you make it unique as a sample, and then that eliminates that. And then what I did was just reverse this part, and it sounds like this.
round up. And niggas will do the most just to see it flop. It's M1 o'clock. They say how you making tune.
Yep. And then all the way throughout the tune, I've got different parts where it's ducking out the inappropriate words, the vulgar language. There's not a lot of swear words in this, so I didn't really need to do a lot of work here. Same again, I've done some reversing, so I'm gonna show you how that sounds.
Against you want test me, against you don't tempt me. Antisocial and deadly, dark days I seen plenty.
And then you really can't tell that there was any vulgar language there because obviously it's reversed. And then we have another one here.
Trill, defend me, need my money, you're lengthy. Where them brothers they envy. Against you want test me, against you don't tempt me. Antisocial and deadly, dark days I seen plenty. I ain't changed once.
Alright, and that's it. It's just a short video today, but I'm gonna come in some more tutorials and that. So make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell button if you want to see some more. And yeah, peace. Oh yeah, little side note I forgot to mention, but if you want to listen to his EP, it's on Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, flipping Play Store. Go and listen to that. It's good. Yeah, boy.